Hi, my name is Fatin Syafinas binti Rokman, lecturer from Politeknik Sultan Idris Shah, and I'm going to show you how IBS make construction works easier in my beautiful new home project. Introduction. The floods that hit the East Coast in December 2014 were among the worst in the country's history. About 2,606 houses of flood victims were totally destroyed, and the large portion of it, which is about 2,374, are houses in Kelantan. Due to this catastrophe, the government has to find appropriate methods in the construction of new houses to accelerate the resettlement of the victims. The question now is, what is the best method to be used to build houses in a short period time with economical construction costs? Well, the answer to this problem is by using the Industrialized Building System or IBS. The IBS method that was used in this project is called Fast-Built Monolithic Building System. In line with the objective of improving the skills of technical vocational education and training TVET stream students, a total of 200 students from Politeknik Malaysia and community colleges have been assigned with the pilot project of my beautiful new home at Lekir, Manjung Perak. Facts of my BN home. Location: Lekir, Manjung Perak. Students: 200 including Polytechnic and Community College. Number of houses: 50 units. Area of project: 4.87 acre. House area: 750 square feet. Workers: 9 person. Days: 9 per unit. Substructure: 2 days. Structure: 3 days. And finishing in 4 days. There are a number of phases involved in using IBS for this project. The first phase is marking. According to the plan, the references lines are made on the foundation and it will be a guide during installation of aluminium mold. 2 lines are made to determine the inner and outer position of the mold. The marking line must be accurate, perpendicular and as exact as in the drawing. Next, mold installation. The first layer of aluminium mold is erected at the corner of the building so that it can stand after assembly. Molds that are adjacent will be locked by entering the pin and hole wedges on the set, and it is tightened using a hammer. After the first layer of mold is installed, BRC is then up at the mold. BRC serves as a reinforcement in the walls and used to support the pipe conduit for wiring and plumbing systems. BRC is fastened to the starter bar at the base and the reinforcement at the corner of the building. Steel reinforcements are placed horizontally in each aperture to lift load and its function as a lintel. The second layer mold is installed and each mold part is combined precisely and strong. It is important to make sure that the mold surface is greased with oil so that it can be easily removed when the mold is opened, and this will result in a smooth and flat wall surface. To ensure mold is permanent with a specific wall thickness, wall tie is mounted between 2 layers of molds. Braces and wailer are installed so that the walls remain upright and a proper alignment. Once mold installation is done, concrete work is carried out. In this phase, special concrete is used in this method. Aggregate of 5 mm size is mixed together with an additive to produce rapid hardening concrete, which is also high in workability. Concrete is poured into the molds and compacted using a vibrator. After 12 to 24 hours, the concrete hardens and the mold is removed. Thus, the structural work for a house is done. The final phase in this project is finishing work. What is finishing work? Well, finishing work is a fine job in building construction process where it forms the beauty of the building. The main type of finishing work include facing, plastering, flooring, painting and glazing. Since the wall surface produced by using these methods are neater and smoother, resulting only thin plaster should be applied on the outer side of the wall while the inner walls are finished with skim coat. Afterwards, painting and packing including roof installation can be carried out. Advantages of the system. By using IBS mold, it is found that, firstly, the construction processes become quick and easy. Secondly, construction costs can be reduced in terms of the number of employees and working days, as well as reducing waste at the construction site. Thirdly, material use and construction quality can be controlled. And last but not least, the involvement in the My Beautiful New Home pilot project can expose TVET students with real site work experience and improve skills in the field of construction. Thank you for watching. Bye.